In this video, we are going to be analysing Tesla, ticker TSLA. So to get straight into it, what are the key levels that we're looking at? And firstly, we're going to go over the support levels because this is really going to dictate the direction of Tesla. And we can see we have a support level around $873. So really that just means a zone of $873 to $875. So really we want to see a push back to this level because we can see we broke over this level, came back, retested it. We haven't really been able to break through, so we will most likely come back to this level to make sure it can hold it. And if it can, then we would expect a push further. However, if we fail this move, come below it, come back, retest this 875 and fail, then we would expect a push further down. And where would we take that to? Really the next target would be 830 and then 740, and then a further push would take us down to 680, 604, and then we would be near the 52-week low. So you could see a heavy buying pressure coming to this level. However, if we do continue down even further, 535, $470, and then final kind of levels around 387, 335, 241, and $200. Obviously, really the ones below 600 as of now do seem quite out of reach, so we won't be paying too much attention to these levels. But the key focus as of right now is, can we hold this 875? If not, expect a push to 830, but this will most likely fail if we can't hold this 875, and so we would expect a push down to 740. Now, if buying pressure ends up kicking in and we push higher, where are we going to be looking at for targets? So our closest target currently is $973. So this is where, if we can bounce off this level, we would expect a push to, and that would provide quite a bit of upside, as that would provide about 11.5% move from that level. Then if we continue up even further, then we would expect more resistance at around $1,000, well, $1,010, but also do note, between these levels you obviously do have that $1,000 resistance, which will be very key. Now if we do continue up even further, then we have further resistance at 1,115 to 1,145, and then even further levels at 1,260, 1,275, and then a final level at 1,410. Again, those ones are also quite far off, so the key focus as of right now is, can we hold this 875? If not, expect a push to 830, and again, if we can't hold that, then expect a push to 740. Now, if we end up bouncing off this 875 or a push kind of bouncing off the 830, then expect a push to 970. And again, if we can hold that level and push high, then we would expect a push to at least 1,000. But in this area, we do have quite heavy resistance, so that could be at least the peak, at least for the time being. Now, I hope you enjoyed the analysis on Tesla. If you did, why don't you check out this analysis video here.